Hey guys, today I'm here to talk about the YETI Tundra 110. This cooler was designed specifically with the whitewater rafting community in mind. We designed the cooler to sit high in the frame, fits all standard frames, allows plenty of clearance for your latches. It's a great big cooler, works great for multi-day trips. It's plenty of room for both food and drinks. Like all the new Tundras, it's got the slots for the dividers, so you can divide food on one side, drinks on the other. Like all Yetis, this is a very versatile cooler.
T-Rex lid latches are built to last with molded-in latch keepers. The never-fail hinge system includes a full-length integrated hinge that is self-stopping and will not break. Yeti's cold lock gasket minimizes unwanted air exchange, locking out heat while sealing in cold. Anchor point tie-down slots are molded into the cooler body for solid mounting. You can't break the handles on a Tundra. Each has two styles. Double haul handles are nylon rope with textured grip, and the integrated lip grip handles make carrying easier. The Vortex drain system has a screw-in gasketed drain plug that is leak-proof and rugged. Each has a dry goods rack to prevent soggy sandwiches. All Tundras have 2 inches of Yeti's permafrost insulation throughout the cooler body, and up to 3 inches in the lid where it matters most. Barefoot non-slip feet are made from non-marking rubber and help keep your cooler where you put it. The Interagency Grizzly Bear Committee certified Tundras as bear-resistant food containers when used with 2 padlocks on both front corners.
This is the YETI Tundra 110.
Hi, I'm Brent with Nemo Equipment. I'm here to introduce the Bugout series of shelters. It's a new category of shelters that includes a mesh sidewall, so it's a simple square tarp with a mesh sidewall. All you really need are a couple of trees. I'm not sure that you can see them, but I've got this strung up between 2 trees. And then if you have a couple of trekking poles, you get the other 2 corners set up. We know that the ground's not always even, so there's a couple of different loop sections here so you can tie it off wherever it makes sense. There's zippers on both corners, and there's actually 2 on each corner, so that if you wanted to string a hammock through here, you could actually string it through and then zip it up and not get any bugs in. So we're in New Hampshire and there actually are bugs. If there weren't, then what I might do is unzip this thing and just use it as a sunshade. So you can roll up the sidewalls and tie them off here and just have kind of a nice sunshade. But because there are a lot of bugs, I'm getting in and I'm going to get out of those bugs. So a pretty simple unit. It actually comes in a 9x9, which is what this one is, and also a 12x12 size. And the 12x12 is big enough to actually put over a full-size picnic table. So it's great for camping. It's great for just hanging out with your family. Get out there and enjoy it.